The automotive industry is changing faster than ever before. New technologies like zero-emission vehicles, autonomous driving and connectivity have a deep impact on the product portfolio. Together with global rollout and stricter local legislations, this leads to a more and more complex product which has to be managed in a strategic and holistic way. To demonstrate our consulting services and a hands-on example, we built up Macy. Macy is the modular autonomous consulting experience platform. It's a platform of autonomously driving cars which were built out of a conventional RC car platform.
When we developed Macy, we assembled a cross-functional team of employees that replicated the entire development process. Like an automotive OEM, we designed the product architecture all by ourselves. We handled the packaging and documentation work. We selected the suppliers for both hard and software components, and lastly, we conducted the functional integration independently. Doing this, we acted just like an OEM, being supported by our efficient management approach. Afterwards, we put all our findings into an experience workshop where you can explore our approach and its benefits firsthand.
With feature-based documentation, we are able to describe each part and each variant of the complex system, and making sure that the configurability doesn't come at the cost of efficiency. With this, we were eventually able to reduce the complexity of the parts by -30%, decrease the logistical area needed by 20%, and cut the costs for suppliers for spare parts and production changes by 15%. From our experience, we know that these numbers scale up with the size of the project, making feature-based documentation a powerful tool to manage complexity across the product lifecycle.
As vehicles become more and more software-driven, the integration of hardware and software is critical. For Macy, we took the base of the RC car and added an in-house developed self-driving module. In this course, we had to find hardware and software components like sensors and computers from various suppliers and integrate them into a single functional architecture. During autonomous operation, a central challenge is the mapping of the surrounding space to enable the car to navigate the complex terrain. The LiDAR system detects walls and obstacles and adds them to a dynamically growing map. This map is then used with algorithms to control the motors and the servos to guide the vehicle to its destination. Macy demonstrates how our service managed the functional integration of hardware and software components, also considering cybersecurity and functional safety.
At its core, Macy is the proof of concept for our tools and methodologies. It allows us to test and refine our solutions in a tangible way. For you as a client, you would have the possibility to experience our approaches in an easy-to-understand surrounding. Get to know us as your partner for the implementation.